Meaning of down at heel.
Down at heel.
Down at heel.
Down at heel.
Down at heel. The phrase down at heel is typically used to describe someone or something that is shabby, worn out, or in a state of disrepair. It can also indicate a person's financial troubles or general state of neglect. The term is often used to describe individuals who have fallen on hard times or are experiencing poverty. When referring to objects or places, it can indicate poor maintenance, lack of investment, or dilapidation. Overall, the term down at heel implies a sense of social and economic decay or decline.